Fourth Partner Energy, India's leading renewable energy solutions company, committed to accelerating decarbonization across commercial and industrial businesses.
Fourth Partner Energy was set up to help corporate in their sustainability journey in adopting renewable energy. In the last 12 years, the deep capabilities we have built have allowed leading commercial and industrial clients to move towards their corporate objective of ensuring 100% renewable energy. We at Fourth Partner Energy are their partner of choice, and we are making this migration for them in a commercially viable yet just manner, serving corporates across India, South and Southeast Asia.
Backed by global impact investors, Norfund and TPG's Rise Fund, our network of lenders include British International Investment, Bank of America, SBI, Responsibility, Symbiotics, amongst others. With nearly 1.3 gigawatt of installed renewables capacity, over 2,000 projects and 200 marquee clients, Fourth Partner Energy is now operational in Vietnam, Indonesia, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. We offer energy as a service to help offset nearly 100% of the client's electricity demand through clean sources. Round-the-clock renewables, on-site and off-site solar, wind-solar hybrid, battery storage, energy trading, and electric mobility infrastructure, our low-cost, low-carbon solutions help transform your business. Commit to a greener tomorrow by joining hands with Fourth Partner Energy today.